Hello everyone, my name is Goyal and this is the last lecture of this chapter, rational numbers, okay, from class 7. Okay, so in previous class we learned about how we insert rational numbers between two rational numbers, right? Okay, after that we learn about the operations on rational numbers. For example, we learn about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, right? In today's lecture, we are going to learn about these topics. Let me select the pen first, right? Wait. Yes. Now decimal expansion of rational number. See, if we have a rational number like 1 upon 10, so how we write that number in decimal form? See, this is simple, right? It is 0.1, right? Okay. Now after that we learn about conversion of non-terminating. See, non-terminating ones which are not ending but recurring means repeating. They are repeating. If I write down a number 0.3333333333 and so on. Okay, so this is non-terminating. The number will never terminates, but they repeats the values, right? 3 comes so many times, so they are known as what? Non-terminating repeating rational numbers. Okay, type decimal number to fraction. So we are going to learn about how we write these types of decimals expansion into fractions, right? Without actually dividing the fraction, estimate what type of decimal expansion will be there based on denominator. Okay, we are going to learn about these three topics, okay, mainly, and this is very important part. Okay. So first of all we are going to learn about decimal expansion of numbers, rational numbers. So there are so many types of decimal expansion. If first case one, if in a numerator, in denominator power of 10 is present. Very simple. If the power of 10 is present, means if we have the number 32 upon 10. So how many zeros are there? 1. So we have to put the point before one digit from the unit place. So it will be 3.2. Okay. If we have 32 upon 100 means 20 is there. So what we have to do? We have to put 2 point before 2 digits from the last. So point will comes here, right? So it will be 0.32, right? Okay, now if we have three zeros, right? So what is the concept? You have to put a point before 3 digits, but there is only 2 digit in the numerator, so you can put 0 first. So it will be what? 0.032. So first we have these types of simple expansion, decimal expansion. Okay, now if we have the number like 4 upon 3, okay, so these types of expansion, decimal expansion, how we do that? By using the long division method. So how we do this? See, okay, now let me show you how we do this, right? See, yes, yes. So how we do this? Listen. So this is what? 3 is going to be divided by 4, right? So 3 will be come here and 4 will come here, right? Now what I do, I just put a point because this number is less than this number. So what I do, I just put a point, 0 point. Now 0 comes here. Now for now we do simple division, right? So how many times 30 comes? 30 goes 7 times, right? 28. So it will gives 2. Now if we take point, so there is no need to put 0 when we take 0 here. So we can take 0. Okay, हम यहाँ पे कितने भी 0 ले सकते हैं ना, एक एक करके हम कितने भी 0 यहाँ पे ले सकते हैं. Now it will be 5 times, so 20, right? So the answer for this particular fraction is what? 0.75. Okay, got it? Okay, now next, if we want to divide 6 by 7, right? So yes, so 6 7, right? Now 0.0 comes here. Now how many times? 8 times, right? 56. 4 0 5 35, right? Now 5 again comes. Now again we can take 0. So how many times? 9 7 times, right? 49. Now 1 again we take 0 1 7 3 again we take 0 4 28, right? Now again 2 0 14, right? We don't have so much space, that's why I can write here 6. So how many times it will go? 2 times. Now 6 is come. Now 60, right? Now the series will repeat, right? If you see 6 will come and now the series will repeat. So after that division, what we got? We got the same series, right? Like 8, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2. Then again, after that, again 6 will come. So it will give 8, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, right? And so on. Okay. So this is the decimal expansion of this number. This number is what? A non-terminating recurring, right? Because this number will repeat itself, right? If you see, this number will repeat again and again, and they will never terminate, right? Okay. So we are going to do some more questions. Question is we wants to yes, we wants to expand. For example, if we wants to expand 7 by 5, right? So it will be 7 by 5. Now 1 times 5, 2. Now point will come here and 0 will come here, or 4 times. So it will be 20, and it will be 7 by 5 can be written as what? 1.4. Okay. Next, if we have 8 by 9, we want to write down this one. So it will be 8 and 9. Now point 0 come here, and how many times it will goes? 8, right? It's 72, right? 8 times 72. 8. Again 8. 0. Again 8. 72. Again 8. Right? So 8 by 9 is what? 0.8888 and so on. Got it? Now next, if we want to divide 11 by 5. Okay. So it will be what? 11 comes here and 5 is there. So 2 times 10, 1.0. So 2 times again 10, answer is 2.2. Okay. So we can do these fractions like that. We can convert that fractions in decimal form. Okay. Okay. Now here we have question 5 by 13, right? Question is what? We wants to convert divide 5 by 13, right? So it can be written as 5 is going to be divided by 13, right? So point will comes here, 0 will come here. So 13 threes are, right? 13 threes are 39, I think so. It will be goes by 13 time, right? Okay, so let me select the pen first. Yes, 13 threes are 39. It will gives 11, right? Now 11 is again not cancel out. So how many times it will goes? If you see 13 fives are, how much 13 fives are? 13 into 5 is 65. 13 into 7 is 91. So 13 into 8, it will goes how much? 13 into 8, right? 104. So 8 times 104. Now 6, 0. Now for 6, 4 times, right? 13 fours are, right? 52. Now it's 8. And 13 6 are how many? 13 6 are how much? 78. Right? Now it will give 2, 0, 1 time, 13, 7, again 0. Right? So 13 fives are 65, right? 13 into 5, how much? 65. So it will go 5 times 65, right? So 5. Now if you see again, that series will continue, right? 5 0 will come here and then 5 0. So again what we got? 3 8 4 6 1. This is 4 6 1 5 and so on, like this. So if you see, we got the same 3 8 4 6 5 1. So it will be represented. So this quantity 5 by 13 will represent as 0.384615 bar. This is known as bar. Bar means that quantity will repeat again and again. It means bar. So if there is a number written as 0.21 bar, so it means what? 21 bar means what? 0.21 is repeated again and again. 21, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21, and so on. Okay, if there is a number 0.123 bar, is now the bar is only on 2 3. So it means what? 2 3 is going to be repeated, right? So 0.1 2 3 2 3 2 3 2 3 2 3 2 3 and so on, right? Got it? So have we got this concept? How we check, how we make the expansion of decimal into decimal form? Now, conversion of non-terminating but recurring type decimal into fraction. Okay. So if we have a number like 0 point, question is convert 0.33333 and so on, or this can be written as what, 0.3 bar in p by q form. Fraction is what, in p by q form. So how we do this, right? Now see, listen carefully. What we can do, we can take let x is equals to 0.3 bar. Okay. So 0x is what, 0.33333 and so on. Up to this is first equation. Now you have to multiply by 10. Why we multiplied by 10? Because the bar is only present on 3. ठीक है, so हमें किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ठीक है क्या? Okay, so we are going to multiply the LHS and RHS by 10. So it will give 10x is equals to, if we multiply this 10 by 10, then this point will be shifted right? So it becomes 3.333333 and so on, second equation. Now subtract equation first from second. See what we get. Let me change the color first. Okay. So if we subtract equation first from equation second, so in LHS what we got, 10x minus x, which is 9x, and RHS is what, 3.33333 and so on, minus 0.33333 and so on. So if you see, the point quantity will subtract each other. So how much we got? 9x is equals to 3. So the value of x is what? 3 by 9. So the value of x is 1 by 3. If I do it, if I make this in simplest form, then it is 1 by 3. Are you getting my point? ठीक है, कर लेंगे ना. Okay, now what we have to do, we are going to do second question na. Same question na, convert 0.75 bar in P upon Q form. Now again, bar is on two terms. Then we have to multiply this quantity by 100. Are you getting my point? So first we are taking this quantity as x. Okay. So it will be 0.75, 75, 75, 75 and so on, right? This is equation first. Now what we have to do, as I told you, we have to multiply that quantity by 100. So it becomes like 100x is equals to, now देखो point 2 आगे खिसक जाएगा ना, point will shift it 2 right, है ना. So it gives 75.75, 75, 75, 75 and so on. We can take this equation as second equation. Now again same, what we do, subtract equation first from equation second. See what we get. Okay, now in LHS 100x minus x is what, 99x. In RHS, see point digits will getting cancelled out, and 75 minus 0, it will be 75 only. So the value of x is what, 75 upon 99. Now if you see, these two quantities are divisible by 3, right? So you can divide that quantity by 3. So if you divide that quantity by 3, then what you will got, 25, right, for the numerator part, and 33 for the denominator part. So the answer for this particular question is what, 25 upon 33. Okay. Now next question, next category of this question, these types of question. Question is asking for what, convert 0.75 0.75 बार, 0.75 बार इन P by Q फॉर्म। सी अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या है ना, यहाँ पे बार पॉइंट के बाद सिर्फ 5 पे है, तो हमें क्या करना होता है, वी हैव टू टेक दैट डिजिट ओनली विच कंटेन्स बार, है ना। पॉइंट के बाद हमें वही डिजिट लेना होता है जिसपे वो पॉइंट बार है। सो हेयर 7 पे बार नहीं है, सो वी हैव टू टेक दैट 7 टू राइट साइड। सो फर्स्ट वी टेक x एज 0.75 बार। नाउ इसको राइट में, पॉइंट के राइट में लाने के लिए व्हाट वी डू, वी जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई द क्वांटिटी बाय 10, so it becomes 10x is equals to 7.5 bar. Now we are going to follow the same procedure. Got it? So it will be 10x is equals to 7.555555 and so on. First equation. Now bar is only on one digit, so we have to divide it, multiplied by 10 more, right? So it becomes 100x is equals to 75.55555 and so on. Second equation. Now same method, what we have to do, subtract equation first from equation second. Listen what we got, listen, sorry, 100x minus 10x is what, 90x, right? Is equals to, see this number after decimal, the numbers are getting cancelled out. Now 75 minus 7, I think it is 68. Yes or no? 75 minus 7 is what? 68, right? So you will got 68. So the value of x is what? 68 upon 90. You can more get simplify. It will be divisible by 2, right? So it will be 34 upon 45. So the answer for this particular question is 34 upon 45. So 0.75 bar is can be written as 34 upon 45. So this is what, if you want to convert that number which is repeating but not terminating in P by Q form, then you can do like that. Okay. 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 Now there is a question we have to do. Convert the given non-terminating repeating decimal into fractions. So what we have 0.01232222 and so on. Now if you see, this can be written as 0.01232 bar. So as I told you, you can take this quantity as x. Now you have to take these four terms to the right hand side. So you have to multiply it by 10,000. So it gives 10,000 x is equals to 123.22222 and so on. Equation first you can take it as, ठीक है। अब देखो एक पे बार है, then we have to multiply it by 10 more, right? So how many zeros? 4 zeros तो पहले थे, 5 zeros, right? Like this. So it will be 1232.22222 equation second, right? Now next is subtract equation first from equation second. Listen what we get. How much it is? 1 lakh minus 10,000, 90,000. X is equals to how much it is? If I minus 1232 minus 123, right? So it will be what? 12 minus 3, 9, 0, 1, 1. So 1109. So x is what? 1109 divided by 90,000. You can simplify this more. Okay. 1109 upon 90,000. Got it? So I think you got the concept, right? Okay. So you can do these questions like that. Okay. Now next concept is what? Without actually dividing the fraction, estimate what type of decimal expansion will be there based on denominator. Okay, so basically there are two types of decimal. One is terminating, repeating, and another one is non-terminating, non-repeating. ठीक है, एक तो क्या है टर्मिनेट हो गया और एक क्या है जो टर्मिनेट नहीं हुआ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई राइट डाउन 1/3, इट इज व्हाट 0.33333333 एंड वन इज 3/4. ठीक है, so it is 0.75. so this is what terminating and this is non terminating. so without actually division, हमें डिवाइड नहीं करेंगे और हमें ये चेक करना है कि which is terminating or which is non-terminating. Okay, now if there is a rational number, now we have how we check it. Okay, now if there is a rational number is in the form of p by q. देखो, yes, if we have a rational number which is in the form of p by q, ठीक है, where q is not equals to 0, if it can be expressed in the form of p upon, देखो अगर हम इसको लिख सकते हैं p upon, this can be expressed in the p upon form of p upon 2 raised to power m multiplied by 5 raised to power n, where p belongs to integer and mn also whole numbers, right? Whole number means mn can be 0 also. Then the rational number will be a terminating decimal number. देखो, simple as that. If we write down the number, rational number which is in the form of p by q, and we write down the rational number in the form of p upon 2 raised to power m and 5 raised to power n, where m comma n belongs to whole number, means m n can be 0 1 2 3 4 5 and so on, right? So then the expression we got, the expansion, decimal expansion we got is in the form of what? Terminating. ठीक है, अगर ऐसा नहीं लिख पा रहे then it is non terminating. Now for 1/3 we cannot write 3 is in the form of 2 raised to power something or 5 raised to power something, but if we have 3 by 4, 4 can be written as what? 2 square. So this number can be written as 3 upon 2 square into 5 raised to power 0. So yes, this is what? A terminating decimal number. Are you getting my point? The example we take in previous slides, let me show you, which are terminating. Now see, if I take 7 by 5, yes, 7 by 5 can be written as 7 upon 2 raised to power 0 into 5 raised to power 1. If you see, this cannot be written as in the form of this one. So 11 by 5, yes, 11 by 5 can be written as 11 by 5 raised to power 1 into 2 raised to power 0, right? Yes, 32 by 10, we take 32 by 10, right? So for 32 by 10, 10 can be written as what? 2 raised to power 1 into 5 raised to power 1. Got it? Now 100 is there. So 100 can be written as what? 2 raised to power 2 into 5 raised to power 2, right? Got it? 3 by 4 again. 7 is not written. That's why it is a non-terminating. Got it? Are you getting my point? Okay. Simple. Very simple, na? Very simple. Okay. So yes, we have to check, express the following rational number into decimal instead kind of rational expansion. देखो पहले हमें क्या करना है, वी हैव टू राइट डाउन दिस नंबर एज इन डेसिमल फॉर्म. अच्छा, किस टाइप का होगा वो तो अपन यहीं से देख के बता सकते हैं. 7 कैन नॉट बी रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 2 raised to power m into 5 raised to power n. So it is a non-terminating repeating type, right? Now we have to show that, right? So it will be 7 and 2. 0.0. 2 times 14. 6. 0. 8. 56, right? And 4. 0. 5 times 35. Now 5. 0. 7. 49. 1. 0. 1. 7. 30. And 4. 28. 20. Now 20 will comes again, so it will be repeated like that. This number will be getting repeated. So 2 upon 7 written as what? 0.285714 bar. Are you getting my point? Got it? Any doubt? So you can do like that. Okay, so this is very easy to solve. Okay, now next. Okay, as I told you, as I told you earlier, this 7 cannot be written in the form of this one, right? ठीक है, हमने पहले ही बोल दिया था कि ये ऐसा नहीं लिखा जा सकता. So it will be a decimal. By actual division we can show that. Okay, now there are some practice question we are going to do now. Okay, listen, find the decimal expansion of 3 by 6. So 3 by 6, right? So 3 by 6, first of all, 3 by 6, right? Okay, so it means what? 6 divides 3, right? So 0.05 times 30, right? So 3 by 6 is nothing but 0.5. Now the question arises in your mind, sir, as you told me कि the denominator, if the denominator is written in the form of 2 raised to power m and into 5 raised to power n, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे denominator क्या है, देखो 6 है, तो 6 तो सर 2 raised to power 1 3 raised to power 1 लिखा हुआ है ना, ऐसा तो है नहीं, उस फॉर्म में तो है नहीं, 5 में तो है नहीं भैया, तो सिर्फ 2 होता, 3 नहीं होना चाहिए था, तो अगर 3 यहाँ पे आ रहा है, 3 आ रहा है यहाँ पे, तो ये फिर भी यहाँ पे ऐसा क्यों आ रहा है, डेसिमल में क्यों आ रहा है, मतलब टर्मिनेटिंग में क्यों आ रहा है। देखो आप इसको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू मेक इन सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म, तब आप बात करेंगे उसकी। सो इफ यू सी 3 and 6 हैव व्हाट, 3 and 6 हैव व्हाट, ठीक है बताओ, कॉमन फैक्टर, हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर इज 3, सो इट विल बी नथिंग बट 2। अब देखो 2 is in the form of 2 raised to power n into 5 raised to power n. Got it? Okay. Now convert the given non-terminating decimal into fraction. So if you see 2.033, 2323 and so on. So 2323 is going to be repeated. So x can be what? 2.03323 bar. So first of all you have to take these 3 digits to the right hand side, है ना, पॉइंट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड आना चाहिए, तो 1000 से मल्टीप्लाइड कर दिया, 0.232323 एंड सो ऑन, है ना, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन आ गया हमारे पास। अब कितने पे था, 2 पे था, तो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100 आल्सो, सो इट बिकम्स लाइक दिस, राइट, 1 lakh x is equals to 203323.232323 and so on. Now we are going to subtract. अच्छा, if we subtract 1000 from 1 lakh, so how much we got? 99,000. X is equals to, now 203323 minus 2033, right, minus 323 minus 2033, right, 2033. So how much you got? 201290. So the value of x is what? 201290 divided by 99000. So 0 cancel out each other, so it will give 20129 upon 9900. You can simplify more if getting simplified, but it is not okay, ठीक है। अच्छा बेसिकली यहाँ पे उल्टा दे दिया ना इसको, यू हैव टू चेंज इट, है ना, ये गलत है ना, इसका उल्टा आएगा ना, ये आएगा आंसर 20129 अपॉन 9900, ये लिखा हुआ था, उल्टा लिख दिया है ना, स्लाइड मिस्टेक, ठीक है। Okay, now we have to identify which type of this number is 22/3. देखो now in 22/3, 3 cannot be written in the form of 2 raised to power m and 5 raised to power n. So this is what? Non-terminating repeating number, non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Okay, so what we learn about? We learn about how we convert fraction into decimal expansion of rational number, and how we convert non-terminating but recurring type of decimal expansion to function, and without doing actual division, how we check either what is the type of that decimal expansion. Okay, so now the chapter is completed. You can do questions from your book, you can take the reference of any book. Okay, so do the question, practice more and more question, you will get the concepts. Okay, so at the end, thank you so much. Bye, stay safe and enjoy. Bye.